Near protocol is right now at this very interesting area, but will we now continue the bullish trend or do we fall to even lower prices? In this video, I will talk about Near and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share the daily analysis about Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Near is right now on place 20 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $4.7 billion. Near is the biggest AI coin in the whole crypto space, and the AI sector has a big potential for this bull run because we saw this massive price increase in the start of 2024. And as you can see, also Near exploded in the beginning of this year. From this demand zone to this last high, we saw an increase about 267%. And after this last high, we then saw this big correction for Near. And now we came all the way back into this last demand zone, which was a higher low, which led to a higher high, and which was the beginning of this bullish move. And as we came back into this demand zone, we now saw the first bullish reaction, so the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend. Just if we are breaking this last demand zone and this last low to the downside, then the chance is high that we see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this one, I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. Because as you can see, we had a lot of liquidity which was resting under these lows, because most of the retailers and small investors put their stop loss under their last lows, and we came into the zone, we took this liquidity, and as you can see under this lows right here, we grabbed this last liquidity because we saw this wick and closed with the candles over this last wicks down here. So this is always a very bullish sign that we now increase in price because we also saw this bullish reaction. So the chance is that big players came here into the market because we are also in this big demand zone, which was the start of this move. So I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices in the near future. And then the next very interesting zone is this high right here at $6.50. And if you're also breaking this one, then the chance is high that the next very interesting zone is at $9. And also if you're looking at the weekly chart, you can see we broke this last supply zone to the upside right here. And now we are retesting this last demand zone. And if you're also looking at the Fibonacci, you can see that we perfectly reacted at the 0.618 Fibonacci right here. And if we are holding this one, then the chance is also high that we can continue the bullish trend. And of course, Near protocol is right now a very big coin with $4.7 billion, but it's right now the biggest AI coin. And as you can see, we saw this massive price increase in the beginning of this year. And since this last high, we saw this pullback. And if we now continue the bull run, then the chances are that we could see another explosion like this. And if Near is the biggest AI coin, the chance and the potential for this coin is really high. And from the price right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential over 380%, which is also really good. But the best coins in the bull run also explode over their last all-time high. And I think Near protocol has the chance to also break this one. And if you're also using the Fibonacci tool right here, then we're getting this next potential price targets. And I think the $32 are very realistic for this bull run. And if we are seeing a massive bull run and their AI coins get to their potential, then I think also the chance is high that we could see $72 for Near in this bull run. Of course, this is just a price prediction for the prices right now. But as I said, if we get a big AI explosion and Near is the leader of the AI coins, then of course the chance is high that we could see a massive run in this bull run. So long term, I'm very bullish on Near. And again, we also retested this last demand zone right here and saw this bullish reaction. So I think the chance is high that if we are seeing here higher prices, that we then can continue the bullish trend. Just if we are breaking this last lows and this last demand zone to the downside, then the chance is high that we could see even lower prices. But as long as we are holding this one, find bullish price action right here, then I think the chance is high that we can continue. And if we're also breaking this last high, which led to this lower low, then the chance is really high that we can see the bullish explosion. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.